Welcome to this complete Cairo, Egypt guide where we dive into the history, culture and sheer beauty of this bustling metropolis. Cairo, the heart of Egypt, is a city that sings tales of ancient civilization while embracing the rhythm of modern life. This city, where time has left its mark in the form of majestic pyramids and silent Sphinx, is a melting pot of history and culture. With every step on its sun-baked streets, you're walking through chapters of a story that started thousands of years ago. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore 12 must-visit places in Cairo that will transport you back in time, introduce you to its vibrant bazaars, and offer a peek into the city's soul. From the iconic Pyramids of Giza to the buzzing Khan El Khalili Bazaar, the awe-inspiring Cairo Citadel to the serene Zamalek Island, we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey. Ready? Let's start with the iconic Pyramids of Giza. Our first stop, the Pyramids of Giza, a testament to the architectural genius of the ancient Egyptians. Sculpted from limestone, these towering structures are a sight to behold. They were built over 4,000 years ago, during Egypt's Old Kingdom era, and are the only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still standing today. The largest of the 3, the Great Pyramid, was constructed for Pharaoh Khufu. It stands at an impressive height of 481 feet, making it the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3 millennia. Inside these pyramids are intricate labyrinthine passages leading to the burial chamber of the pharaoh. The precision in their design and construction is truly a marvel, a testament to the skill and knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. But what makes these structures even more fascinating is the mystery that surrounds them. How were they built? Why were they built? The answers are still the subject of debate among scholars. Now let's meet the guardian of these ancient wonders, the Sphinx. Behold the Sphinx, an enigmatic figure that has puzzled historians for centuries. This colossal statue, a fusion of human and lion, is believed to be over 4,000 years old. It's a symbol of strength and wisdom, an embodiment of the mysteries of ancient Egypt. Its weathered face, still silent after millennia, holds secrets yet untold. Remember, it's not just a monument, it's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. From the riddles of the Sphinx, we move to the treasure trove that is the Egyptian Museum. Welcome to the Egyptian Museum, a gallery of ancient Egyptian art and artifacts. This grand edifice is a treasure trove of the world's most extensive collection of pharaonic antiquities. It's home to over 120,000 items, each telling a tale of the fascinating civilization that once flourished on the banks of the Nile. Marvel at the glittering funerary mask of Tutankhamun, the famed boy king who ruled Egypt over 3,000 years ago. It's a symbol of the museum's extensive collection that spans over 5,000 years of history. The Egyptian Museum isn't just a building filled with antiquities. It's a time machine that whisks you back to a world of pyramids, pharaohs and hieroglyphs. Every artifact, every sculpture is a page from the book of ancient Egypt's history, waiting to be read by those who dare to delve into the past. Let's leave the quiet corridors of the museum for the bustling lanes of Khan El Khalili Bazaar. Step into the vibrant world of Khan El Khalili Bazaar, a shopper's paradise. This enchanting marketplace, steeped in history, is a testament to Cairo's unique blend of the old and the new. Established in the 14th century, it has served as a bustling hub of trade and commerce for over 7 centuries. A labyrinth of narrow alleyways, it pulsates with energy and life. Each turn presents a treasure trove of unique items. Here you can haggle over a myriad of goods, from intricate silver jewelry, handcrafted brass lamps to beautifully woven rugs and perfumes that smell like 1,000 Arabian Nights. But it's not just the merchandise that catches the eye. The bazaar is a sensory feast, a symphony of sights, sounds and aromas. Listen to the chatter of vendors, smell the enticing spices and taste the mouth-watering local delicacies. From the lively bazaar, we head to the historic Cairo Citadel. Cairo Citadel, a fortress with a view, and the Al-Azhar Mosque, a beacon of Islamic learning. Let's delve into their history and significance. Perched atop the Makatam Hill, the Cairo Citadel, also known as the Saladin Citadel, has been a symbol of military strength since the 12th century. It's not just a fortress, but a city within a city, housing several mosques, palaces and museums. The views from here are breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of Cairo. Now let's turn our attention to the Al-Azhar Mosque. Established in the 10th century, it is one of the oldest universities in the world. This mosque is an emblem of Islamic architecture with its grand courtyards and 5 minarets soaring into the sky. It's been a hub of Islamic learning, attracting scholars and students from around the globe. Next, we explore the ancient area of Coptic Cairo. Coptic Cairo, a window into Egypt's Christian past, and the Hanging Church, an architectural marvel. Where old meets new, Coptic Cairo is a part of the city that takes you back in time. It's a living testament to Egypt's Christian past, a vibrant enclave that's been home to a rich tapestry of religious and cultural history for centuries. Now picture a church suspended above the ground, hence the name the Hanging Church. Officially known as St. Virgin Mary's Coptic Orthodox Church, it's an architectural marvel that has withstood the test of time. Nestled among old Roman towers, this church isn't just a sight to behold, but it's a beacon of faith that has shone brightly for over 14 centuries. From the intricate woodwork that adorns its interior to the echoes of ancient liturgical chants, the Hanging Church offers an immersive journey into a long-forgotten era. So get ready to step into a world where history and faith intertwine. Let's stroll down the historic Al-Muiz Street. Al-Muiz Street, a living museum, and Tahrir Square, the heart of modern Egypt. Immerse yourself in the captivating history of Cairo as we explore Al-Muiz Street. This bustling avenue, one of the oldest in the city, is a treasure trove of Islamic architecture, offering a stunning array of mosques, madrasas, and monuments dating back to the Fatimid era. It's like stepping back in time, where every footstep echoes with tales of a bygone era. Now let's transport ourselves to Tahrir Square, a symbol of Egypt's recent history. This iconic square, the epicenter of the 2011 Egyptian revolution, is more than just a traffic circle. It's a place of unity, a testament to the spirit of the Egyptian people, and a living, breathing snapshot of the nation's journey towards democracy. From the ancient bricks of Al-Muiz to the pulsating heart of Tahrir Square, Cairo's story is a tapestry of old and new, tradition and change. We head next to the green oasis of Zamalek Island. Zamalek Island, a verdant escape in the city, and the Mosque of Muhammad Ali, a symbol of Cairo's skyline. Nestled in the heart of Cairo, Zamalek Island stands as a lush oasis amidst the urban sprawl. A haven of tranquility, it offers a delightful respite from the bustling city life, with its leafy boulevards, art galleries, and chic cafes. On the other hand, the Mosque of Muhammad Ali, perched atop the citadel of Cairo, is an architectural marvel that cannot be missed. Constructed in the 19th century, it is a testament to the Ottoman influence in Egypt. Its grandiose dome and slender minarets dominate Cairo's skyline, while the interior is a spectacle of ornate alabaster walls and intricate Islamic artistry. Both Zamalek Island and the Mosque of Muhammad Ali reflect the diverse facets of Cairo, a city where modernity and tradition seamlessly intertwine, where every corner whispers tales of a rich, vibrant past. That concludes our tour of Cairo, a city where the past and present coexist. As we end this comprehensive guide of Cairo, Egypt, we hope you've enjoyed this journey through time. We've traversed the Pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx, delved into history at the Egyptian Museum, haggled at Khan El Khalili bazaar, and admired the Cairo Citadel and Al-Azhar Mosque. We've explored Coptic Cairo and the Hanging Church, strolled down Al-Muiz Street and around Tahrir Square, and relaxed on Zamalek Island and at the Mosque of Muhammad Ali. Remember, Cairo isn't just a city, it's a story waiting for you to become a part of it.